24, we're given the function f of x equals x to the third plus 1. And they want us to find g prime of x when g is the inverse of f of x. So we know g of x is inverse. Okay, so this is what we're given. And we can apply, let's see. Well, it wants us to do it in two ways. So the first method would just be doing the switch x and y to get your g of x and then just differentiate. So we can do it that way first. So right now we have y equals x to the third plus 1. So if we switch them, it'll be x equals y to the third plus 1, right? And then we subtract the 1 over and cube root it. So our ultimate answer would be x minus 1. Okay, so this is like our, this is the inverse, so this is g of x. Okay, alright, and now just to get the first derivative, we take the first derivative. So this is like a 1/3 power, so we're going to get 1/3 in front, and then everything on the inside stays the same, and 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2 over 3. Okay, and then if we were to do chain rule, then that's just a 1. So this is your final answer. So this is our answer using method 1. And for method 2, then let's see. So method 2 is basically just using the formula that we've learned. So the whole g prime of x equals 1 over f prime of g of x. Okay. So if we were to do it this way, then we have to figure out what f prime of x is first. So f prime of x equals 3x squared. And then we just plug in the g of x into this spot right here. So whatever we have for g of x. So we found g of x to be this, the cube root of x minus 1. So if we plug that in, let's see what we get. So f prime of g of x now is going to equal 3 times the, okay, so cube root of x minus 1 and all of this squared, right? So this is the same thing as saying 3 times x minus 1 to the 2/3. All right, and then for our final answer, for g prime of x, I'll go up here real quick. Okay, so I'll squish it in. I'm sorry I have to do this. I just don't want to start on a new slide just for this. So g prime of x is going to equal, using second method, g prime of x equals 1 over this stuff. So 1 over 3x plus 1, that is a minus. Okay, hold on. Okay, 3 times x minus 1 to the 2 over 3. Sorry, it's all squished in there. But you can see that we obtained the same answer using both of the methods, right? Because this is a negative 2 over 3 power. Okay?
In the rain, I'll do my crying in the